Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare this delicious soya pasta. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have all the ingredients prepped already. I have beef which is already clean. I have soya spice, salt to taste, garlic and onion powder, crushed pepper, tomato paste, cooking oil. I have diced pepper, I have tomato, onion and red bell pepper and yellow pepper. I have the pasta here. I have spring onion as well and one seasoning cube. Go ahead and marinate the beef. I add a teaspoon of soya spice to the beef and I will sprinkle the garlic and onion powder and a little bit of salt, and I will go ahead and mix together and set aside. Already boiling, I will go ahead and add the spaghetti and I will cook it until it's 90% done. Added enough oil to the pan and allow to heat up, and I'll go ahead and fry the beef. For this recipe you can also use chicken. In fact, I've used mackerel fish before and it's come out so good as well. The beef that I use for this recipe is a soft beef. It cooks under 7 to 10 minutes. That is why I didn't boil it before frying it. Without boiling it, it cooks perfectly well. Once the beef is fried, I will remove from the oil and repeat the same process until I'm done. At this point, you can throw this oil and put a new oil after you wash the pot. But as for me, I'm not going to throw it. This is the oil that I'm working with. I added a tablespoon of tomato paste and a little bit of ginger and garlic paste. I forgot to show you guys, and I will stir fry it for 10 seconds. And I'll go ahead and add the diced pepper. I added half tablespoon of crushed pepper. Add pepper according to your taste. You can add less or you can add more. And I'll go ahead and add a seasoning cube and stir everything together. I'll add a little bit of water just to cook the sauce, and I'll add the beef at this point because I want the beef to be very soft, not hard. That is why I'm adding it at this point. I will stir everything together and I will taste for salt. If I need, I will add, but as for me, it's perfect. I don't need salt. At this point, the sauce is done. I'll just stir it together before I add the pasta, and the sauce take about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. I will add the pasta and stir everything together. I added more soya spice, and I will go ahead and add a spring onion, and I will cover and allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, the pasta is done. I will give it a final good stir and dish out for myself. This pasta is super delicious. If you have soya spice at home, go and try this recipe and come back to leave me a comment. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.